Come, saints and sinners, hear me tell how pious priests whip Jack and Nell, and women buy and children sell, and preach all sinners down to hell, and sing of heavenly union. They'll loudly talk of Christ's reward, and bind his image with a cord, and scold and swing the lash abhorred, and sell their brother in the Lord to handcuffed heavenly union. They'll raise tobacco, corn, and rye, and drive and thieve and cheat and lie, and lay up treasures in the sky by making switch and cowskin fly in hopes of heavenly union. Love not the world, the preacher said, and winked his eye and shook his head, then seized old Tom and Dick and Ned, cut short their meat and clothes and bread, and still love heavenly union. Another preacher whining spoke of one whose heart for sinners broke. He tied old Nanny to an oak and drew the blood with every stroke and prayed for heavenly union. All good from Jack another takes and entertains their flirts and rakes. They dress as sleek as glossy snakes and cram their mouths with sweetened cakes. And this goes down for union.